Aloha, this is Kevin Kimball. We are down to our 9th pivot table of the Salesperson Reports data worksheet and our 24th pivot table overall. This is the most challenging of all of them. In this case, you'll calculate a bonus or commission amount in dollars. We'll create a report that allows the user to select a country, UK in this example, and then indicates on a quarterly basis each salesperson's total order amounts. In addition, for each quarterly amount, we'll determine the applicable bonus percentage that that person has earned, and that should appear in a separate column in the report. Such bonus percentage is based on the following scale. If their salesperson's total sales for the quarter exceed $20,000, the bonus will be 15%. Otherwise, it will be only 10%. So a bonus amount column should also be provided. I'm going to put that word in there. Should also be provided that computes the bonus amount by taking the salesperson's total sales for the quarter and multiplying it by the applicable bonus percentage. So we'll see if we can pull that off. First, go to your pivot table. We're going to insert a pivot table, accept the range. And in this case, what we'll do is we'll drag salesperson down to the rows. We'll take quarters, which is the order date, down to the rows, and it already has been grouped. If it's not grouped properly, you can right click here, group, and make sure it says quarters here, so it's grouping by quarters. We can then take country, take the country and bring it to the report because we want the UK as our filter, and then you're going to take the order amount and drag it to values. Okay, so that's our first stage. Now we need over here in another column the percentage bonus that this person has earned. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and we're going to choose in the options a formula calculated field. And the calculated field in this case is going to be an if statement. We're going to call this bonus percentage. And the formula is going to be equal to, and this is an if-then statement, if the order amount, and you just double click, if the order amount is greater than, and if you recall down here, if it's greater than $20,000, and you notice I'm hard coding this, that is a little bit of a violation of what we talked about, but I am going to hard code it here, then the percent will be 15%. Otherwise, it's going to be 10%. Okay, so this effectively is going to be a formula that's going to test this column and indicate the appropriate percentage amount. Hit OK, and you can see it's come off over in that way, but now we're going to modify it to look a little bit nicer. And what you'll see right now, it doesn't look very pretty because these values, this came in automatically to be on the row, the different values on the row. We actually want to take these values and drag them to the column. So just left mouse click, drag and drop. So now you have the sum of bonus percentage here. I want to change the format of the sum of bonus percentage. So under value field settings, it's the very bottom option there. Number format, we want it to be a percentage, and that should look a little bit better now. And now we want is one more calculated field. We're going to go up to formulas, calculated field, and this time we're going to call this bonus amount, and we're going to take the formula is going to be the bonus percentage times, that's an asterisk, times the order amount, and we'll hit OK. So hopefully we can test that formula, see if that did work, multiplying on the outside of the pivot table. The reason you don't want to do this formula outside is as the pivot table expands or contracts, the formula outside will not expand and contract. It's also a lot more complicated formula, as you can see here. So don't bother with that outside. Just do your formulas inside the pivot table using the calculated field under options. And that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and format this to make it look nicer, but I think we've achieved what we want to achieve with this report. Let's name it. This is DIX, and we'll call it bonus amounts by salesperson. So if you got that done by salesperson quarter, and I think we should be good. So aloha.